राइट, थैंक यू। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। नमस्ते स्मिता जी, आपका बेहद दिल से बहुत स्वागत है हमारे इस एपिसोड पे जिसका नाम है सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी। थैंक यू दिल से।
थैंक यू, दैट इज सच अ वार्म वेलकम। और कितना लवली नमस्ते आजकल सुनाई या दिखाई नहीं देता, तो इट्स रियली नाइस टू बी वेलकम दैट वे।
या यूजुअली बहुत लोग बोलते हैं दीक्षा आप नमस्ते अच्छा करते हो, मैंने बोला थैंक्स टू भरतनाट्यम। सो या, बट थैंक यू स्मिता, लवली। यू नो आई वांट कि हम आपसे काफी कुछ जानकारी हासिल करें, सीखें कि हम सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो स्मिता जी हमें बताइए कि राइट नाउ व्हाट इज द करंट सिचुएशन वी टॉक अबाउट पोस्ट वैक्सीनेशन, पोस्ट सेकेंड वेव। तो अभी की स्थिति ताजा क्या है? ओवर टू यू स्मिता।
श्योर। तो अभी की स्थिति एक्चुअली सब जिधर देखा जाए, आप बाहर जाओ तो सब जिधर बहुत सारा क्राउड है हमेशा, देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल अराउंड, बट ऑफिसेस आर स्टिल नॉट टेकिंग अ चांस, दे आर बीइंग वेरी वेरी कॉशियस। बहुत सारे वैक्सीनेशन प्लान किए, इनफैक्ट हमारे एक क्लाइंट ने हमारे लिए वैक्सीनेशन भी प्लान किया, सो दे आर going ahead and giving vaccination to vendors as well, so we are vendors to them. तो वहां तक जा रहे हैं लोग, आई मीन जो भी अंदर आ रहे यू नो फॉर मीटिंग्स एंड ऑल, जो भी अंदर आ सकते हैं उन सबको वैक्सीनेशन करने की कोशिश हो रही है। ओके, बट बॉम्बे में दे हैव बीन वेरी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज हमारा हमारा स्टेटिस्टिक्स हैज बीन रियली बैड, but I know that organizations around Bangalore, Chennai, they are having mixed. So जहाँ पर भी possible है work from home is working without any disruptions, it is being continued. लेकिन services है, essential services है या malls है, जहाँ पे it is not possible, they are having people, banks है, I mean all those important, वहाँ पे employees are being called and slowly and steadily they are trying. In fact, I think this is the third time they are trying. बीच में भी 2-3 बारी शुरू करके फिर बंद हुआ था. So they are trying back, but एक issue फिर से है, like today I was reading, third wave is on the way, so people are little cautious about it. Yeah.
Well said स्मिता। आई थिंक वो आपने जो बताया कि दूसरे लोग हमारे वेंडर्स के लिए सोच रहे हैं, तो दैट्स सो कंपैशनेट, kudos on that, high five on that. Lot of people are doing same gesture to lot of vendors, so I completely resonate your point. All right smita, आगे बढ़ते हैं। What do you think should be incorporated policies and procedures in any organization? Like you rightly said कि थर्ड वेव आ रहा है, हमें पता नहीं व्हाट्स हैपनिंग राइट नाउ, बट किस प्रकार की पॉलिसी और प्रोसीजर आप एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में चाहोगे जिससे हम एक सही संतुलन बना सके वर्क प्लेस पे? ओवर टू यू स्मिता।
Absolutely, thank you very much. Some things, Diksha, before I give you a response about policies, mental health has been a big challenge because of we are social animals, right? People want to interact with people on regular basis, and this lockdown has put us in a situation जो हम regularly by default बाहर जाते थे, वो भी नहीं हो रहा है, right? So we are like locked in our houses, we are not even meeting our friends, family. So it is important for us to get out of the homes, is important for our mental health. Now what organizations can do, organizations बहुत कुछ कर सकती हैं। मुझे आपको थोड़ा सा अपना बैकग्राउंड देना पड़ेगा। जो कंपनी मैं चलाती हूँ 2013 में मैंने शुरू किया था। I started initially we were only 2 of us when we started the company. फिर मैंने जब रिक्रूटमेंट शुरू किया, I realized कि बहुत सारे talented women were not able to come to workplaces क्योंकि उनको घर की बहुत सारी responsibilities थी। तो हमने एक लेडी के साथ स्टार्ट किया saying that आप घर से काम कीजिए, ठीक है, and you work whenever your kids are off to school, when you don't have, when you have that time. आज I have 20 employees, right? So जब ये lockdown हुआ, many of my folks who knew I run this company called me and said, what are those best practices that you have in your organization? Can you share with us? So I will share that with you. First and foremost, trust your people, okay? Because the issue that we have is we do not trust कि हम उनको घर पे से काम करा रहे हैं, पता नहीं ये लोग काम कर रहे हैं या कुछ और कर रहे हैं. So trust is important, right? Second most important point is please have part-time and flexi hours in your organization, and it is possible. See, people will say, how is it possible? Technology is there. Technology is helping in as many ways as possible. I mean, imagine the technology which is cleaning your house, right? So you can have technology to record, monitor, and you can work on it. So that is second most important thing. Third, please do a lot of work on mental health perspective. Very important, right? Because this is something which will need a lot of attention. So these are 2-3 things that I can tell you. We employ people who want to work part-time, so 4 to 5 hours of slot. And trust me, वही salary आप break down करो, 2 लोगों को ले आओ, they'll be more effective, right? Get women who are so highly qualified but cannot join workforce because they have a lot of responsibilities. And I'm telling you, a lot of companies are already started doing that. And I've been watching them. A lot of women have been getting offers, right? And do not get too fussed कि इतना बड़ा break लिया है, now I am going to employ women. Trust me, they just start from where they have left, right? So do not get stressed about it. Just take a batch, do a pilot, okay, and then you can multiply. That's my recommendation, or these are the policies that needs to be looked at.
See, आप तो स्मिता पहले से ही करते थे, तो आपसे तो definitely lot of organization will take inspiration, like how you did it, right? So wonderful said. I think yes, little flexibility is important, and adaptation using technology आपने बहुत अच्छा point बताया कि होना चाहिए. Wonderful, स्मिता. तो अगर आप हमें थोड़ा और emphasize दे पाएं कि आपके नजरिए में future of work कैसा है? How that looks like? Is it like a hybrid model, or is it like a everybody can come back to office after 6 months down the line? So how you think is the future of work? Over to you, Smita. Yeah.
Sure. So if you look at statistics, everybody is waiting to come back to work. But I feel जैसे हम बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाते हैं ना एक चीज करने से. So I'll tell you one story, Diksha. बहुत साल पहले की बात है. This is I think 2008, 2009. I worked for an IT company और तभी मुझे I needed some days to work from home. I was an HR person and I spoke to my boss. My boss said, नहीं घर पे से काम नहीं होगा, आप छुट्टी ले लो. So I was little taken aback. I said, only ये है कि मैं travel नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, but मैं घर से आराम से काम कर सकती थी. So I found it little weird. Now, cut to 2021, they are saying work from home. Okay, so that mindset is required, right? So क्या होगा? हम बोर हो जाते हैं. हम कोई भी चीज करने से बोर हो जाते हैं. अब हम work from home करने से बोर हो गए. So the balance is important. I think a mix of both is important. Organizations should sit down on a and put it down on whiteboard. Which are those jobs which can be done aram se work from home? Which are those jobs which require them to come to office every day? Chalk out plan, saying that Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we need the whole staff. Or I don't want to be so technical, but I'm giving you an example. That chalk out that which are the days when you want the entire staff to be there, which are the days you do not want staff to be there. There's a hot desk concept. It's not dedicated workplace you need to have, right? You can have moving or rotation work timing. You could have flexi hours. So there are these important initiatives that organizations should take and should put their heads down, because infrastructure is also very expensive. I live in Mumbai, square feet is so expensive, right? So I can understand a lot of organizations moved out of Mumbai because they could not afford infrastructure. In fact, we don't have large IT organizations, too many large IT organizations in Mumbai, right? So, and one important thing is please hire from small towns, 3-tier, 4-tier. People can work from there. And you can have people, those special people working in your organization. So these are some policies, structures I think is important, and organizations should look at bringing that about.
Super, Smita. मुझे एक चीज आप में बड़ी खास लगती है, आप हर चीज को प्यारे तरीके से एग्जांपल देके सेट करते हो, which is very quick for all of us to understand, taking that instance, and yes, this is the right path for making a great articulated discussion. Wonderful, Smita. I love this. Okay, going forward, Smita, what do you think are the best tools and technology? जैसे अभी आपने बताया कि टेक्नोलॉजी हमें हेल्प कर रही है, but अगर आप हमारे दर्शकों को बता पाए किस प्रकार के टूल्स हमें हेल्प करते हैं when we are at office and when we are at home. So इन दोनों में bifurcate करके बताइए कि किस प्रकार के technological tools are savior for all of us in this corona time कर रहे हैं. But अगर लोग वापस जाते हैं तो उसमें हम touch point को कैसे eliminate करें? Say for example, you and me are best friends and we are sitting on a couch and having a cup of coffee and discussing like पूरे 1.5 साल कैसे गए हमारे. तो उस समय कैसे हम मैनेज करें कि कॉफी को हम ना टच करें, डोर नॉब्स को हम ना टच करें, एंड सो एंड सो फोर टच पॉइंट्स को हम रिड्यूस करें ऑफिस के अंदर. तो आपकी उसमें क्या राय होगी? ओवर टू यू स्मिता.
See, I think we are dealing with adults and adults need to be aware, right? I mean, we are not dealing with kids ki beta yahan touch mat karo, wahan mat karo. So adults need to be aware that they have to take care of themselves and people around them, right? They have to go back to home every day. So awareness is important. If possible, wherever possible, try and create awareness as much as possible. Of course, cleaning, maintaining the cleanliness, sanitation, hygiene will be another important aspects that they need to go about. But then, एक ना दो बच्चे होते हैं जो शरारती होते हैं. So if you find out who are those people who are just not doing that, then they need a proper conversation and counseling, saying, guys, it's not only you, but it's the entire organization which needs to be taken care of. So these are few things that I can think of. Yeah.
Okay, I like the point when you said थोड़े थोड़े बच्चे शरारती होते हैं. We need to make sure कि उनको बिठाया जाए और बताया जाए कि आप अपनी सुरक्षा और दूसरों को सुरक्षित कैसे रखें. Wonderful, Smita. Lovely chatting with you. I think we go directly to the last question where what do you think is the like work culture? जैसे अभी आपने बताया health और wellness की आपने बात बोली. तो अगर कोई बंदा घर से ही काम कर रहा है और उससे 6 महीने और घर से काम करना है, तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करते हो कि कैसे हम लोग घर पे सुनिश्चित करें कि हम लोग healthy रह सके, rather than we always miss people, we always miss collaboration, but we do have Zoom fatigue, we do have screen time, eye problem, and a lot of problems. So last 2-3 words on how we can increase the mental health while working from home. Over to you, Smita.
Sure. Thank you so much, Diksha, and you have touched upon a point which is very, very close to my heart. Discipline is something that is the thumb rule. Okay, how do you bring about discipline? अभी क्या हो रहा है, सुबह उठो, without even rubbing your eyes we open our laptop and we want to see the mails, और हम फोन पे ही शुरू हो जाते हैं, right? So can we put a discipline to that, saying no, I will start my work hour at 9 a.m. every day. Before that मैं फोन पे भी नहीं चेक करूंगा या चेक करूंगी. I will not look at that. So this discipline is something that will be a thumb rule. Second, in that discipline, then you set up your work hours, saying that 9 to 1 and 2 to whatever, and then whatever happens, unless somebody is really critical, yeah, emergency has. Yeah, I generally say, unless somebody is dying, don't pick up the phone. Okay, so this is something is my thumb rule that I tell my team members, because I have a bunch of women who are so crazy कि वो लोग 12-12:30 बजे भी emails भेजते रहते हैं. Okay, because their kid has gone to sleep, that is a great time for them. So I keep telling them, don't do that to yourself, right? So unless कुछ ज़्यादा important है, so ये balance आपको खुद को लाना है, ये discipline आपको खुद को लाना है, right? Second, अगर आप leader हो, then I request all the leaders who are listening to me, please do a genuine check-in with each and every member of yours, right? आपकी direct subordinates कितने ही होंगे? 15 होंगे, because direct तो नहीं होंगे बाकी सब. 15 लोगों को can we have a direct check-in with them and a genuine check-in. ये नहीं भाई कैसा है, that's not. Genuinely asking that, so what's happening, do you need anything, can I help you, and genuinely strike conversations with them, right? Ask them about their family, right? Ask them what did he eat. Simple conversations can trigger and take you to a different level. So please, leaders, it is very, very important that you have a big role to play. You'll think फिर मेरे mental health का क्या होगा, वो आपके leader को ध्यान रखना है. So it is important that that's what is happening across. So I would request each and every leaders to take responsibility of their team members. HR teams, okay, Zoom पे meetings कर रहे हैं या कुछ I think fun and frolic activity कर रहे हैं, great. But are we genuinely checking on people's mental health? If somebody is not, simple triggers, आपको पता चलता है कि कुछ तो गलत है. Continuously, if a person is not coming on video call for really long time, आपने देखा है 10-12 बार मीटिंग्स हुए हैं, वो बंदे ने या बंदी ने ये ऑन ही नहीं किया है. Domestic violence is at a high. Okay, what a woman is suffering. Is she, does she need support? So can we look at that? Those are very important things that we need to check on. All right, and as an organization, we are speaking to them and not trying to create an insecurity. So transparency is important. Business top to down, business में क्या हो रहा है, transparency is important. कि how do I, as an individual, am I contributing to the goals of the organization? Please have that transparent conversation. वो बहुत ज़्यादा important. I think these are few tips for you as an employee, as a leader, and as an organization that I can share.
Well said, स्मिता. आपने काफी उम्दा तरीके से बताया कि कैसे हमें खुद से ज्यादा, खुद से पहले, इवन हम एम्प्लॉय है तो भी आप कलीग से बात करिए. अगर लीडर है तो सबॉर्डिनेट से डेफिनेटली यस, तो वो हिरार्की चलेगी. बट आई थिंक एक दूसरे से बात करके, पर्सनल टच में बात करके बहुत जरूरी है, ताकि हम ये जान सके कि वो बंदे की मेंटल स्थिति कैसी है, एंड देन दूसरों को पॉजिटिव और प्रोडक्टिव बनाने में हम अपना सहयोग या योगदान दे सके. वेल सेड स्मिता. अब चलते हैं एकदम लास्ट पड़ाव की तरफ हमारे शो के. कुछ ऐसे मोटिवेशनल या इंस्पिरेशनल मैसेज अगर आप ऑडियंस को दे पाए जिससे वो एकदम जोश से भर जाए. तो लास्ट मैसेज टू ऑल द ऑडियंस. ओवर टू यू स्मिता.
So recently I was listening to a video of Mr. Stan Lee. He is the creator of Spider-Man. Okay. And he was sharing that when he went to his publisher with the idea of Spider-Man, तो सबने उसको publisher said, what crap. I mean, मकड़ी आदमी क्या ही सुपर हीरो हो सकता है, करके he just kind of pushed him back. So he left a very beautiful message, and he's no more right, that don't let any idiot dampen your ideas. Okay, so he said that if you have a beautiful idea, please work strongly towards it, and please work towards it consistently and make it happen. There will be many people who will be pulling you down, saying this won't work, this won't happen, that negative words. All right, but if you are convinced that this will work, just go push it and get it. This is what I believe in completely. Diksha, running an organization was also a big challenge for me, because I come from a corporate world. 16 years in corporate, and then being an entrepreneur was not easy, but I was convinced that this is my calling. So this is a message that I want to give it to everybody, that do not let anybody dampen your spirit, your ideas. Yeah, just work on it with conviction.
Smita, I love, also I like Spider-Man, and I love you as an entrepreneur, कि आपको एटलीस्ट पता चला लाइफ में आपका पर्पस क्या है, क्या करना, और आपने एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी से ही हमें मैसेज दिया कि दुनिया बोलती है बोलने दो, आप पागलों की तरह अपना काम करो, अडिग रहो अपने पैशन पे, तो कुछ ना कुछ जरूर होगा. तो बहुत, मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई एम श्योर ऑडियंस को भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. दे विल वर्क वेरी हार्ड फॉर व्हाटएवर दे वांट टू अचीव इन द लाइफ. थैंक यू सो मच स्मिता. इट वाज लवली चैटिंग विथ यू. लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग्स, लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट थिंग्स दैट वी लर्न टुडे. आपका बेहद दिल से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.
Thank you so much. It was lovely being with you, Diksha.